Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about the Blue Heaven products review. Today's video is a requested video where I will be talking about 3 of the Blue Heaven products that I have and I'll be swatching them. So if you guys are interested in affordable Indian makeup, then please keep on watching. First of all, I will just show you the products that I have and then I'll talk about them in detail. I did not wanted to make separate videos about each of the product because I don't want to make too many videos. This video might be just long, so I'll just mention the times of each of the products so that if you are interested in a particular product, you can just directly jump to that particular time and see the review of that product. Also, the time of each of the product will be in the description box as well, so if you guys are like, just check the description box and I'll just mention them on the screen, like maybe right here. Yeah. So the first product is this Blue Heaven foundation, which is an oil-free makeup and it is a sunscreen, and it says that it has matte finish as well. I have the one in natural beige. This one is for 65 rupees and you obviously get at a discounted price when you buy it online. And even if the bhaiya, the seller on the counter, if you're buying it offline, is known to you, or if you just bargain a little bit, 5 rupees, he would just come down. So this is how the bottle is. This is a glass bottle which has a plastic cap right there, and it let me just read what it claims. It says an easy spread oil-free foundation enriched with vitamins and silicones to improve natural texture of your skin. Its specially grinded pigments give high coverage and a flawless velvety matte finish all day long. Best suited for all skin types, but for best results, use Blue Heaven's astringent before applying the foundation. Shake well before use, and yeah, that's all that it says. So this is how the product looks like. It is a glass bottle with a plastic cap, and when you open it, they give a applicator as well, which is like quite good because you don't want to just pour it out, so they give an applicator as well. This foundation is a sheer to medium coverage foundation. It is not drying, it is quite creamy, it's blendable as well, but it gives, like, it's more toward the sheer side. You have to build it up to even get the medium coverage, and if you try to build it up a lot, it might become cakey. So yeah, if you are somebody who has a flawless skin and who doesn't have a lot of skin problems, I think this is a good product for you. If you don't want to invest a lot of money, so you can go for this one because it would give you a sheer coverage, kind of a coverage that BB cream might give, a bit more than that, but not anything more than that. So yeah, this is how the Blue Heaven foundation is. I have used it a couple of times, not more than that, because the fragrance of Blue Heaven products is a bit annoying to me. It's not necessary that everybody hates it, but it's just me that I just don't like it because it triggers my migraine. They are very strong fragrances, and to be really honest, I've even talked to Blue Heaven about this, that if Blue Heaven could just reduce the smell of their products or make it more softer fragrances, like if they could just introduce some softer fragrances, it would be really amazing for people like me who get a bit overwhelmed by the smell. So even this one has that smell, and I just wish that it did not had any smell, or a creamy vanilla fragrance would just go so amazing with that. Otherwise, all in all, it's a really good foundation if you do not have much of the skin problems, because it doesn't give you a very opaque finish. Certainly not a full coverage foundation, very sheer to medium coverage, which actually you can build it up. So yeah, that's what it is. The next product that I have is the Blue Heaven blushes. These are their diamond blushes. I have 2 of them. This one is in the shade 504, which is a beautiful pink color. Let me just show you guys, which is a beautiful pink color, and this one is in the shade 505, which is a brown tone color. they have a bit of shine or sheen to them. So if you are somebody who is not interested in buying highlighter, they are good because they will give a glow as well with the color. So I use this one to contour or bronze my face, and this one to obviously blush as a blush. They are nicely pigmented, and the best part is they are very affordable. They are like 125 rupees each. The only problem is the packaging, which is not quite sturdy. Like, this cap just feels like it will fall off any day, and for this one at least it's not even closing up now. This is however better than that one, but I think the packaging is like, so yeah. But for 125 rupees you are getting a really decent amount of product. This is how much you're getting, a decent amount of product. Like, I really like the pan is really big. Let me just swatch this thing for you guys. This is how it comes up on the finger, and I hope it's visible. I don't know. These blushes are actually very buildable, and this is a very soft blush. I would not say the pigmentation is very amazing, but I have to like build it up. I hope you can see it now probably, to get a good color. But for everyday use, where you don't want to have a lot of color on your cheeks, just a very subtle color, I think you can go for this one. And these are buildable, so if you want a really intense color, you can obviously get that. So this is like 4 to 5 swipes, and you can see the color payoff right here. I have been constantly using it off lately, and I think they are pretty decent. This brown color though is really amazing. Just look at that. The pigmentation is so cool, and it also turns out on the hand really amazingly. Just look at that. That's just one swipe. I don't know, the pink color is not as good as the brown one. I don't know why. But the brown one is definitely amazing, and it's really good for deeper skin tones. It can actually act as a highlight for deeper skin tones. This one however is a bit but this one is really amazing. Just look at that. It has a beautiful shine, the brown one, and also the color payoff is really amazing. That is just one swipe. I just took just once, so that is really amazing. Also, Blue Heaven has offers on combos, so you can buy these at a much cheaper rate probably online. So 105 rupees also you can. I got it for 100, like I got one of these for 105 rupees, which is quite amazing. I really like the brown color to contour my cheeks, but this pink color is very soft and subtle, which is also in a way good, that because I like my blushes to be a bit soft, so yeah. But the pigmentation however is not that great. I am making myself really clear. The pink one, the pigmentation is not very good, but for the brown one the pigmentation is amazing. So yeah. And they also have a fragrance to it, which is again a heartbreaker for me. I just wish that these I just wish Blue Heaven doesn't put any fragrance, like chemical fragrance would do, rather than this fragrance, seriously. Okay, so the next product is this Blue Heaven Fashion, what is this? Fashion Blush on Glitters Eye Glitters. It's a 12 color eyeshadow palette, which is very affordable. This eyeshadow palette retails for I guess 105 rupees. No, it retails for 120 rupees, but you can get it for a cheaper rate, 105 or 100 rupees in a combo. So I broke actually mine. So yeah, because the packaging is a bit flimsy for all the Blue Heaven products. The packaging is a bit flimsy, and this one smells even bad. This one always gives me migraine, so I'm really going to keep it away from me. What I do is I just keep it all like that and just keep it and then just do my work. By the time the smell fades down a little bit, and then I use it. So it has beautiful colors. Just look at that. And the pigmentation is awesome, like awesome. It is that good. The colors are really beautiful. I have used this color for a beautiful eye look, and it turned out to be so great. I used this red color in one of my makeup tutorials, which was very affordable makeup look, and all of the colors are really amazingly pigmented, except this white one, which doesn't show up a lot, but since that's white, so it's okay. I'll just swatch all the colors for you guys right now. So this is the first yellow color. look at that. That's just one swipe I'm taking. And they have chunks of glitters in it, which are like really big chunks. You can see this is the red color. These are buildable. Some of them might not turn out to be that amazing, but they are buildable, so you can just build them up. They just you can just build them up, don't worry about them. So this is the second pinkish red one. Then I'm going in with the gray one. Look at that. I am sure this is going to be amazingly pigmented. Oh wow. Then going in with this red one. This is also amazingly pigmented. Look at that. Ooh. Then this purple one. Ooh. This burgundy color now. These are really amazingly pigmented eyeshadows. Green. You won't get this kind of pigmentation in a high-end product as well. Like seriously. Then you have this gray. Can you see that? Yeah, I can see that. Okay, then this. Then going in with this blue color. Can you see that? Just above the gray. And then this pink shadow. Ooh, look at that. It's an amazing pink. Like it's really nicely pigmented baby pink color. I really like that. Then this brown shade. And lastly, the white. Can you see that? Yeah. So these are all the eyeshadows that this palette has, and they are amazingly pigmented. I have used it like twice recently and I really like it. Look at them. So I really like that palette for the pigmentation. The colors are buildable and they are a bit powdery, but then when you apply them, the fallout is not too much and they just blend out so amazingly. Because I don't know, because they're powdery, maybe because they're powdery, but I don't know, whatever the reason is, they are a bit powdery. They have chunks of glitter in it, like you can literally see the glitter in the pans. They have very heavy fragrance. I would say heavy, yeah. They have a really strong fragrance, but the color payoff is amazing. They are really affordable. 120 rupees for 12 eyeshadow, like 10 rupees a shadow, which is very 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 cheap. And they blend out really amazingly, and they are really 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 buildable. So this eyeshadow palette has its own pros and cons, so decide for yourself what goes for you, what works for you. Because it's kind of a love-hate relationship for this eyeshadow, because the pigmentation is amazing but the smell is bad. So yeah. Next product is this Blue Heaven Expression Waterproof Smudge Proof Kajal. This is how it looks like. The packaging is flimsy again for Blue Heaven. Like, it's okay. I think we can get over it, because the products are so cheap that you cannot complain anything about it. This one retails for 50 rupees and you get how much product? 2.5 grams of product. It is a pencil, which is like you have to sharpen it up. They say it's waterproof and smudge proof kajal, but actually it is not waterproof or smudge proof. It's a normal kajal which smudges out like even if you touch it. So yeah, 50 rupees for this. I would rather buy this for 10 rupees, which is also from Blue Heaven, and it is like this, rather than buying this for 50 rupees, because the kajal inside the bullet is actually the same if you use this or this. It's only the difference in the packaging, and you actually pay 50 rupees just for the packaging and not for the product, because you get the same product for 10 rupees in this thing. So it's up to you. Whatever you want to buy, you can go for that. The next product that I have is the Blue Heaven Fashion Mascara, which is waterproof, smudge proof and conditioning. I kind of like this mascara because A, for the fact that this is just 125 rupees, and initially when I bought this, it was very liquidy, like very runny, so I always used to mess up with my lashes and my makeup. So I just did not use it for a few days, and then it became a bit, you know, viscous, a bit less fluidy, a bit less liquidy. I just don't know how to put it up. So yeah, even though when it was liquidy or now, it just coats the eyelashes amazingly. This is not waterproof. I don't know why they say waterproof and smudge proof, but this is not waterproof for sure. It just gets off with water, and it gets into my eyes as well. That strands of mascara gets into my eyes. So yeah, this is not waterproof, but it makes my lashes amazing. Just curl them up really beautifully. I really like the way it works on my lashes. So 125 rupees, you cannot complain if you buy this mascara. And the packaging of this mascara is really beautiful. It's very sleek and beautiful. Other than the other Blue Heaven packaging, this is really amazing. Now we come to the last product that I have been owning. I have been owning for a really long time, but I've never used it, so I'm not kind of reviewing it, just giving my thoughts about it just by looking at it, or I've used just once. So this is a Blue Heaven Face Glow Glittering Liquid Eye Makeup. This is basically shoot. Okay, so this is basically a shimmer base, makeup base. So it has color to it. You can say a shimmer primer, or just a shimmer base that you can mix with your foundation or even apply it just like that. And it smells like shaving cream. Like seriously, it smells like shaving cream. And even the shaving creams have a better fragrance. This fragrance is something that just gives me a headache every time I use it. It might not affect a lot of people, but it affects me. It also broke me out the first time I used it, so I never used it after that. So I exactly don't know how it performs, because I just applied it and I felt really bad after applying it, so I immediately just took it off. This retails for 85 rupees. Yeah, this retails for 85 rupees. It's really good to have a glow from within, because it doesn't have chunks of glitter. It has a sheen to it. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So it has a sheen to it, and it gives a glow from within. You can just mix it with your foundation or just apply it as it is, and it will just work for you. It will give you a sparkling face or body. You can apply it on your face, on your body, wherever you want to, but the smell is annoying, like literally annoying. I think you can mix in some essential oil in it and then use it so that the fragrance goes off. But if you're somebody who doesn't mind any kind of fragrance, you can go ahead and buy this. But I'm not reviewing this, I'm just putting out my first impression of it, my thoughts after I applied it and immediately took it off. I did not had it on my face. I did not had it on my face for, I think, not even 10 minutes. I just took it off. So yeah, those were all the Blue Heaven products that I own and I have been using and might not be using. And I hope that my my review about all these products would be helpful to you guys in buying some of those products. If you want to see more such videos, you can just mention them down below. I would love to do them for you guys. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope that this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will come up with more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye.